Tayo'y marinate guys. Marinate ng spicy chicken. Ayan guys, may chicken. Spicy yan guys. Spicy. Lalagyan natin ng toyo. Ayan, bawang, garlic, red chili, and soy sauce. Soy sauce. Ito guys, baka itinola ko or adobo or caldereta. Hey. Pepper. Where's the pepper? Pepper. Black pepper. Ground. Lagyan natin yan. Ground. Mekos yan guys. Mekos marinated chicken. Okay, magpa-fry muna tayo later guys. Mamarinate muna ito ng mga 1-2 hours para mas yummy. Ayan guys ha. So, how do you marinate your chicken guys? Ako ganyan lang kasimple. Simple but delicious. Yan. Mekos yan mga guys. Mekos yan guys oh. Ayan guys, mekos na. Montage. Ito pang tinola recipe or adobo recipe. Okay guys, please do not skip the ads. Please subscribe and tap the notification bell. Please support guys. Please support small vloggers. Okay guys, see ya. Ciao. Oops. Cover muna natin siya guys. Cover. Yan. Jolly spaghetti. Naging chicken joy. Family pan. Alright guys. Ito, lagay muna natin sa freezer guys. Ayan. Freezer. As is an elemental made of concrete. Again. Oh, feeling. Maybe you'll see a little better Saturdays. Oh yeah. Oops, nakalimutan ko tong calamansi guys. Yan, lalagyan din natin siya ng calamansi. Yan. Squeeze the lemon. Local lemon. Filipino lemon guys. Yan guys. Filipino lemon. Para sa mga friend kong around the world. Sa Europe and America. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze. Mamaya bibili pa akong lemon. Squeeze. Squeezy lemon. Oh yeah. Feels good inside. Somebody tell me, speaking my icebox. Okay guys, cover again.